Yeah, yeah, yo, P times V equals nRT. That's the perfect gas law, yeah, follow me. Pressure times volume, it ain't no lie. Moles and temperature multiplied. With R is constant, watch it ride. 8314 joule laws per mole per K, let's thrive.
Oh, P times V equals nRT. Ideal gas, perfect motion. Particles floating like an infinite ocean. No forces between them, that's the notion. Random moves in constant devotion.
Hey, 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 perfect gas all day. Hey, perfect gas all day.
High temp, low pressure, that's when it's real. Acting all ideal, here's how it feels. Negligible volume, particles so small, bouncing off walls, giving pressure to all.
Elastic collisions, no energy lost. That's how the perfect gas lines across. Hey, direct proportions, let me break it down. Change the pressure, volume goes upside down. More moles mean more pressure in the game. Temperature rise makes pressure do the same. But hold up, listen what I say. Temperature's Kelvin, not Celsius, okay. No attraction, no repulsion, just perfect motion, no compulsion. Like tiny marbles in the air, moving freely everywhere. That's the model we declare. So remember PV equals nRT. That's how ideal gases ought to be. Celsius won't work in this equation. Kelvin's the key to our calculation. Now you know the perfect gas game. Nothing in life will be the same. Yo, P times V equals nRT.